Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friend, today I'm going to share with you how you can split screen in your Google Chrome browser. So friend, first thing first, we are going to open Google Chrome. And friend, here I want to split screen. Okay, so let's see how we can do that. Here, first method, we are going to click over here. You can see this option which is available near of address bar. Then you simply click on it and you will see my screen is split into it. Okay, here I can search something new. For example, I'm searching over here, and here I can search another topic. So friend, here I can work with two windows at a time in your Google Chrome browser. So this is very amazing thing which is provided by Google Chrome over here. You can split two screen at a time. So friend, if you like this video, then please click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things, how to use split screen in Google Chrome browser. And friend, if you're coming first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel because we are uploading this type of tutorials every day. So friend, you will learn something new. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.